What's up, guys? So I get a lot of questions about the front lip on my car. So today I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all where I got it from, how much, and how I installed it pretty much. So the front lip is for 2016 to 18 Audi A6. At the time, I really didn't want to spend that much, like $300-$400 for a front lip on a car, because I just didn't want to spend that much on a front lip. So this thing was like 50 bucks. I'll post the link or the picture here so y'all can see it. I don't think they have it for the same price, but I'll show y'all what I got. But yeah, the lip came in and it didn't fit because it's for an A6, and the A6 is, I believe, the front is wider, like way wider. I want to say like this much wider. So when you get the lip, it's gonna be like really long. Like if you try to put it on there, like in the mounting points, which are these like little ridges, it's not gonna fit. It's gonna be long. You're gonna have to cut it. So you're gonna have to cut, well, the lip comes in 3 pieces, so you're gonna have to cut here, and you're gonna have to cut like this much on each side of the middle one. I didn't cut the side ones because I didn't want to mess those up. I'd rather just cut the middle one, and I just shortened it until everything fit. There's like really no gap, but I put vinyl just so you don't like see the cuts. And that one you can because the vinyl's chipping, but whatever. And then you're gonna have to cut these things because it comes with these like side splitter things. So you're gonna have to cut these. I cut them up really shitty because I was in a hurry that day and I just wanted this thing on, so I just chopped it up. And see, if you guys do it, I hope you guys do a better job than me so it looks a lot cleaner and flush. But yeah, I might be buying another one just to do it a lot more clean and do it right this time, like measure properly, make sure this thing sits flush against the car because it's just like chopped up. But yeah, other than that, I haven't had any problems with it. It's like bolted up on there really nicely. Like the bolts on there, this thing barely like moves. It's plastic, so it's like ABS plastic, so it's really thin, and unless you're low and hitting shit, it's not gonna go anywhere. It's not gonna bend, it's not gonna break. I've had other lips, like on my BMW, that was like more rubbery than plastic, and the thing would just bend and just go under the car and just mess everything up. But yeah, guys, if you guys have any questions, hit me up on Instagram. Ask me about the lip, where to get it, where to cut, how much to cut. I'll try to help as much as I can, where to place the bolts for it and shit, so y'all can pretty much have the same lip I do, because I do get a lot of questions from it, and where I got it from, where I bought it from. But yeah, it's for a 2016 to 18 Audi A6. So there you go.